So this is it now, and you'll see it in a moment. Right, so you just put it in a little bath of petrol, and you brush it with the petrol. This is old grease from when my hands were full of black grease, and I never thought of cleaning the screwdriver. But now I'm going to build a high performance engine. I want the engine to be clean, and I want the build to be as successful as I can get it. And I think that cleaning tools, I don't know about you, but for me it's relaxing. So with a little wire brush you can also make sure that all the ends are nice and sharp and clean, so you can get to all the bolts very well. And then add it to my collection of clean screwdrivers.